Welcome to Review Lab. The best Enchanted Tarot is probably one of the most beautifully illustrated tarot decks available, offering a gateway to mystical insights and self-discovery. Its enchanting artwork and thoughtful symbolism invite you to explore the depths of your intuition and unlock hidden truths. Whether you're a seasoned tarot reader or a curious beginner, this deck promises a captivating journey through the realms of the subconscious, offering guidance and clarity on life's most pressing questions. Number 5. The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. This book reveals the incredible power hidden within you. It explores how your subconscious mind shapes your life and offers practical techniques to harness its potential. The principles in this book can transform your thinking. By understanding and influencing your subconscious, you can achieve remarkable results in all areas of your life. Discover the secrets to success and happiness. It provides a roadmap to understanding and utilizing the power of your mind to create the life you desire. Learn how to manifest your dreams and goals. This book provides the tools and insights you need to unlock the power of your subconscious and achieve your full potential. Embark on a journey of self-discovery. It offers a profound exploration of the mind-body connection and how to use it to achieve your goals. What we like. This deck is designed to guide you on your journey of self-discovery. It helps you connect with your intuition and create positive change in your life. If you are looking for a modern and inclusive deck that embraces diversity and offers a fresh perspective, this is the one for you. What people say. Joseph Murphy explains easy techniques for accomplishing whatever goals you might have. The book excels in explaining how our thoughts and beliefs shape our reality and how we can reprogram our subconscious mind for positive change. Dr. Murphy presents deep concepts in a clear and accessible way, making it easy to understand how the subconscious mind works and how to reprogram it for positive outcomes. Number 4. RYVE Awaken Tarot Cards. This modern tarot deck is designed to guide you on your journey of self-discovery. It helps you create focus, channel direction, and promote clarity about what's important in your life. It's a tool to help you live more in the present and reflect on your current life. This tarot deck is the perfect way to get in touch with your intuition and create positive change in your life. The cards are made with premium card stock that is thick and sturdy, so you can use them as part of your daily tarot practice. This beautiful tarot deck is a modern and more intuitive adaptation of the Rider-Waite-Smith tarot deck. It combines the tradition and symbolism of the original with vibrant artworks and inclusive illustrations of people of different gender, ethnicities, and appearances. The deck includes 79 cards, including a gender-neutral version of the Lover's card. The original tarot deck comes with an easy-to-follow guidebook to help you understand each card and how to use them for guidance. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced tarot reader, this set makes it easier for you to read cards anytime. Each card measures 4.75 by 2.75 inches, the perfect size for easy shuffling to give you the most out of your tarot reading experience. The back of the cards has a clever asymmetrical design that keeps the direction of the card a mystery, which is essential for reverse tarot readings. The deck comes in a beautiful box with magnetic closure, making it easy and convenient for on-the-go readings. What we like. This oracle deck offers guidance on love, purpose, healing, magic, and happiness. It provides insightful messages to navigate various aspects of life. If you are seeking clarity and direction in these areas, this deck will be your trusted companion. What people say. The cards are beautiful, the artwork is stunning. The guidebook is very informative and well-written. The card stock is of good quality. Number 3. Enchanted Map Oracle Cards, 54 card deck. Are you seeking guidance? This deck offers insights into love, purpose, and healing. It's designed to help you navigate life's journey. This oracle deck holds the key to unlocking your inner magic. It provides a unique perspective on your life, helping you find happiness and fulfillment. Use it to explore the possibilities. This deck can help you explore your relationships. It offers guidance on matters of the heart, helping you find and nurture love in your life. It's a tool for connection. Are you looking for healing? This deck offers a path to personal growth. It provides support and guidance as you navigate challenges and work towards well-being. Do you want to discover your life's purpose? This deck can help you find clarity and direction. It offers insights to help you align with your true calling. What we like. This tarot deck helps you find magic in the midst of everyday life. It comes with a guidebook to help you interpret the cards and apply their wisdom. If you like a deck that brings enchantment to your daily routines, you should consider this. What people say. Firstly, I absolutely love the artwork. There's symbolism in the cards that correspond with the message, so I really love that. The messages for each card's art matches are deep and meaningful as well, as long as you're willing to also do work within yourself. Number 2. Everyday Enchantment Tarot Deck and Guidebook Box Set. Are you ready to find the magic that surrounds you? This set is designed to help you tap into your intuition and embrace the enchantment of daily living. It's a tool for self-discovery and guidance. The tarot can be a powerful way to gain insight. This deck and guidebook provide a user-friendly introduction to the world of tarot. It helps you understand the cards and their meanings. This set encourages you to trust your inner voice. It offers prompts and exercises to help you connect with your intuition. You'll learn to interpret the cards and apply their wisdom to your life. Embark on a journey of self-discovery with this set. It's more than just a deck of cards, it's a companion for exploring your inner world. It will help you gain clarity and direction. Find magic in the ordinary with this set. It's a reminder that enchantment is all around us, waiting to be discovered. It will help you to live a more mindful and fulfilling life. What we like. This tarot kit is designed to help you explore the realm of enchanted dreams. It includes 78 cards and a guidebook to unlock their secrets. If you are looking for a deck that delves into the mystical and imaginative, this one is perfect for you. What people say. The cards are beautiful, the artwork is stunning. The guidebook is very informative and well written. The card stock is of good quality and shuffles well. Number 1. Tarot of Enchanted Dreams, Tarot Kit Box Set. Are you ready to explore the hidden realms of your subconscious? This kit is your key to unlocking the secrets within. It's a journey of self-discovery, offering guidance and insight. Each card is a work of art, filled with symbolism and beauty. They are designed to spark your imagination and intuition. This deck will help you connect with your inner wisdom. The included guidebook provides detailed explanations of each card's meaning. It offers various spreads and interpretations to help you understand the messages. It's your companion on this mystical journey. This set is more than just a deck of cards, it's a tool for self-reflection and personal growth. Use it to gain clarity on your life's path. It can help you find answers to your questions. Embrace the power of the tarot and unlock your potential. This set will empower you to make informed decisions. It's a gateway to a deeper understanding of yourself and the world around you. What we like. This book is all about the power of your subconscious mind. It offers insights and techniques for personal growth and self-improvement. If you are interested in understanding the depths of your mind and unlocking your potential, you should consider this. What people say. The cards are beautiful, with a nice matte finish. The artwork is gorgeous and the card stock is of good quality. The guidebook is very detailed and the card meanings are well explained. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.